Hello all, welcome to session 33 of Selenium Python training series. In this session, I am going to explain about printing and staying in same line in Python. So let's get started. First, let's launch this PyCharm, and here in one of the Python file, write down the code like this. Write a print statement guys and give some name like Arun Motori and give some hyphen space something like this and create another print statement. Here inside the print statement write down Selenium Python training series. Now there are two print statements. So when I run this code, this statement will be printed in first line and Selenium Python training series will be printed in second line. As you can see here, right click, run this file. As you can see, Arun Motori with hyphen got printed in the first line, whereas Selenium Python training series got printed in the second line. What's happening, guys? This particular statement, this statement which I have selected here, after printing this Arun Motori hyphen space, okay, after printing this particular text, it's going to the next line, guys. Okay, it's taking the control to the next line. So this print statement is printing this text and going to the next line, guys. So in the next line, the other text is getting printed. But instead, if I want these two things to be printed in a single line, okay, Arun Motori hyphen Selenium Python training series need to be printed. In that case, just put a comma here and say end is equal to just provide double quotes like this. Okay. So here additional thing I provided in the inside the print statement. If after printing this Arun Motori text with hyphen, if I don't want to go to the next line, then we have to add this thing guys. Put a comma and say end is equal to double quotes like this. Now run this code. As you can see now, everything got printed in the same line. So firstly, this particular print statement after printing Arun Motori hyphen here, okay, after printing this Arun Motori hyphen here, it's not going to the next line. It's not taking the control to the next line because we added end is equal to double quotes here. After that, it's printing this one in the same line because it's not going to the new line. So hope guys you understood how to print and stay in the same line in Python using this kind of syntax like end is equal to double quotes. We have to add to the print statement. So that's it guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.